In today's video, we'll be learning a very important um, application or a platform that is very important in our professional communication, which is sending an email. For here, we'll be using Gmail, and I will explain and show an example of how to send an email address using your Gmail. Most of us have email address, but we don't know how to use it professionally. We only have it because it's a requirement for most of us using Google services, because you cannot use um, applications like YouTube without having an email address. Some people only have it on their phone because of that. But one of the most important reason why you have an email address is for professional communication. So now you need to have an email address first of all. If you have an email address, and I am accessing my own through my Google Chrome. So if I come to my Google Chrome, I can access my Gmail here. If I click on this, it will automatically take me to my email platform. So here I can do several things here. This is the interface of your Gmail. So now you can see you have compose, where you can, when you want to write an email, you want to send an email, this is where you come. As we are going, I will have to use this one and show you how you can use this one to send an email. You have inbox. If you want to check for an email that they sent to you, you come to your inbox. And currently I am in my inbox. I have a lot of messages because I am signing up to a lot of things online. So you can see I have a lot of emails coming from my LinkedIn, my YouTube, and a lot of other things. So now also you have starred means favorite messages. If you have a message here that you want to start, you want to make it favorite, you just come here and click on the star, like this YouTube message. If I want it to be starred and make it one of my favorites so that I can easily access it anytime I want it, I can start it. After giving it the star, if I come to star here, I can easily find it. This is the one that I've just started. So I have a series of other emails that I start that I always want to get access to, simple and easy. So this is something like when they said favorites. So I put them here. You have snooze, when you just want to snooze some particular message that you don't want them to disturb. Maybe you get a particular website that sends a lot of notification, you want to snooze it, you can do it. Sent here means the emails that you send to people. If you send an email, someone said you send, I did not see your email, you want to verify that you've already sent the email, you can come here. It will show that you've already sent this email. These are my course papers that I've been sending to my professors, so you can see them. They are all here. And you have drafts. Now you can draft a message and leave it there. Each time you want to send the message, you can send it. That is just if you want to, you got already a message that you've typed, but you don't want to send it at that moment, you just do a draft, and when you are ready, you just send it. These are drafts message that I've gotten here for so long. So, and you have one of the other important aspects of your Gmail is the spam box. This one normally, this spam box, Google suggests that there are some emails that they see as threats coming to you. They don't really believe the source of the email that is coming to you, so they put them all into the spam box. And also sometimes, if it is the first time someone is sending an email to you and you don't have that person's email, you've never exchanged any email, most times it comes to your spam box. So if you did not see a particular, someone is telling that I send you a message, check your inbox. If you cannot see it in the inbox, you can come to your spam box and you can find the message. Trash here is another important aspect. Each message you delete, you can find it on the trash, and the message can be here for 30 days, and after 30 days it will automatically deleted. So if you just mistakenly delete a message, you can come here and you can find it here, but after 30 days you lose the message. So now for this video, let's try to um, compose an email and see how we can do it. If you want to send an email to someone, you'll come here, compose. When you open the compose, you'll see this dialog where you have two. to which person you are sending it. So you have to type the email of the person you are sending the message. See, I'm going to send this message to this email. And if you want to copy some other people, maybe you have the main person that you want to send. Maybe, for example, in an office, you want to send message to the manager and copy some of the staff. You write this email and copy the other people that you want to see, that you want them to see the email. You can copy them here. Subject here is what is the title of your email. Maybe if it's an application letter, you write application letter for the position of application letter for the position of ICT manager. So this one will help when you send your message. This particular heading or subject will be the one that is showing on the receivers end, like here, like these ones are showing here, top 10 new jobs for this is the topic here. So I'll be seeing it here. I will know what this email is trying to talk about. The same thing with this one that I am putting here. So this is just an example. For this particular email that I am sending, let me put it literature review and discussion with teachers. You see, MIM literature review and discussion with teachers. Just this is an email that I am sending to my supervisor because I have some literature reviews to do on this particular topic, and I did some discussions also to get some information regarding to this particular topic. So you have here to undo and also redo. If you've done something and you want to undo it and redo, here is the body of the email. If you want to write text or you want to type something, you can type it here. For example, I will say, dear Laoshi. Laoshi in Chinese means teacher, which is their standard of calling all teachers and professors. So when we are sending our emails, we put Laoshi. Go down. Please find attach the literature review and discussion with teachers on their use of WhatsApp for academic purpose, WhatsApp for professional development. You see? So it can also help you. Now you know this is my Grammarly can automatically help me to correct the message. I can automatically do it. I have attached the literature review and discussion. Okay, see? So this is the message. Can add by saying kind regards and you put your name. And also here you can edit the size of your text. You can edit the if you want to bold it, you can edit the font type, the font size, and some alignment. For example, if I want this one, all of this to change to select all, And if I want to bold it, I can bold it. You see, all of the text have been bold. If I want not to bold it, I'll just remove it. If I want it italic, I'll put it italic. You see, if I want to underline, I can underline. If I don't want, I can remove. I can change the color, you see, of a particular area. You see, I have all of this here. I can change the font type. I can change, you see, the alignment to middle. Can change it to this one, to left, and the rest. You can do your numbering. Maybe you have a list of some other things that you want to number, number one, number two, number three. Use the numbering here, you see, but I don't want to use this one. So you have a lot more here that you can use. These are all other features that you can use here. So for now, let me go back to my default. So now I have this message here that I've already put here. So when the receiver receives this message, he or she will see this particular information. And also you have these areas. This blue button you are seeing is for you to send. And if you click on this arrow, you see schedule the message if you want to schedule it for the exact time that you want to send it. So now you have formatting option here. You have here attach file. So this, if you have some file that you want, maybe you've already drafted your letter, you come here. Maybe you are doing an application letter, but for me, this one, I have some documents that I want to attach here, literature review and some discussion. So I'll come here, attach. It will take you to your computer. I have some files here that I save on this folder. So now I have this one, and also I have this one, which is the discussion. I click on OK. So these are the files loading. Now I have all this one already done. I have put the message, the body, I have attached the document, and also have given a subject. You see, so these are all areas that you can use to modify your text. You see, insert link if you want to insert a link. These are emojis if you want to use emojis. There are a series of emojis that you can use. You see, these are all emojis that you can use. You have insert file using drive. That is if you have some documents in your Google Drive that you want to attach. Insert photo if you want to put a photo. Toggle confidential mode. See, you have insert signature and a lot more options. You see, plain text mode, label, paint, and the rest. So this is the basics of how you can send an email to someone. Now, after putting all of this information, you can just click send. Now you can see message has been sent. I can view it. Now is the message that I have sent. So you have this one, and if I go to my sent box, it's already there. This is the message that I have already sent. It is now showing here that I have sent this particular message. So it's very simple and easy. You also have this menu here. If you want to close, you want to reduce, you want to increase the size of your space, you can also click on it to have this one showing. So this is the basics of how to use your email address and how to send a basic email to someone. So thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.